Hello everyone. Today I am happy to share with you an exclusive and in-depth review of the Ninja Woodfire grill, dear barbecue lovers. So you just got your hands on the Ninja Woodfire grill, right? And guess what? You definitely don't feel like delving into any cumbersome manuals or quick guides. But don't worry, fellow grilling buddies, because as always, Dad is here to cheer you on. In this ultimate guide, we will guide you through the magical world of the Ninja Woodfire grill. We are talking a complete program of air crisping, also known as hot air frying, smoking and grilling. And of course, Dad shares some of his best tips and tricks to help you go from grilling beginner to pro. The Ninja Woodfire grill is a unique product designed and weatherproofed for outdoor use. Perfect for the unpredictable US weather. It runs on electricity but burns real wood pellets, giving your food a real wood fire taste. The high-performance convection fan circulates air and wood fire smoke quickly around your food, ensuring fast and even cooking and quick absorption of the smoke. The integrated smoker box gives your food a real wood fire taste with just a scoop of pellets. It's like there's a secret sauce that makes everything delicious. A marvel of modern technology. This grill combines the convenience of an electric grill with the flavor of a traditional wood-fired grill. It runs on electricity, but is flavored with real burning wood pellets to give your food a real wood-fire flavor. High-performance convection fans circulate air and wood-fire smoke quickly around your food, so it cooks quickly and evenly and the smoke is absorbed. Designed for flavor, not fuel, the pellets are made from a perfect blend of premium hardwoods. This ensures that every dish you cook on the grill is perfectly flavored with wood fire flavor. The Ninja Woodfire grill is incredibly easy to use. There is a bit of a learning curve to understand the various cooking functions, but once you get the hang of it, it runs like clockwork. However, the built-in thermometer with remote monitoring is great for a truly set-it-and-forget cooking experience. Click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. You don't want to miss a second of this daddy's best fun, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Let's start grilling.